Now we'll move to spherical lenses. Lens म्हटल्यार कितें? Lens. Okay, spherical lens म्हटल्यार कितें? It is a transparent material bounded by two surfaces, one or both which are spherical. Okay, a spherical lens is a transparent material bounded by two surfaces, one or both which are spherical. मतलब कितें? दोनों साइडीच्यान spherical असता और एक साइड straight, एक साइड spherical. Okay, you will understand by looking at the diagram. See, like it is said this: two surfaces, one or both are spherical. In this case, one is spherical, one is straight. Here both are spherical. Here both are spherical. Correct? So we'll see what is convex. Convex मतलब खबर आहे तुमका खंय केव असपाना. Convex असतले. So convex, it is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. So thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. So edges akade it is always thinner. Correct? Anga thicker asa and magir penga thinner. So that is convex. It is called converging lens. Okay? It is called as converging lens. Already explained what is diverging and converging. Ray of light normally converge after passing through them. So जेन्ना ray of light अशी येता पळय, it will converge inside. अशी भितरीतली आणि भायर वयतली. So it will converge. Again ray of light will come here, it will converge. Again ray of light come and it will converge. Okay. What is a concave? Again it is like the definition says, two surfaces, one or both are spherical. So both are spherical, one spherical, both spherical. Okay, so it is thinner in the middle. So ulta concave मतलब cave असपाक जाय मातशे गुफा type. So मदी कितें असपाक जाय मातसो गुफा type बारीक असपाक जाय cave. Okay, so it is thinner in the middle and the thicker at the edges. Understood? It is a diverging lens. So in this case what happens? Your ray is diverged. Okay, but in mirror it is totally opposite. In mirror, convex mirror diverges and concave mirror converges. So ray of light diverges after passing through them. So ray of light it will diverge. Okay, you will see the ray diagram. Then you will understand this concept. Okay, see. So this is your convex lens, right? This is your convex lens. Again, the ray of light parallel to the principal axis, it has to pass through what? Focus. So this is what is your principal axis. So I mean the incident rays. This is what the principal axis. So when it incidents on the convex lens, it is converging. So पहिले the bends at the light and konchan pass sale from focus. Okay. Whereas in this case, light ashi yeta. So these are your virtual rays and actually it is diverging. Okay, your rays are diverging. Ray diverges, and when you draw the virtual ray, you will see the image. Now again the pole is what? The center, your O which is mark of the lenses is called as pole of lens. Focus, the point where a parallel beam of light passing through the lens converges. When parallel beam of light passing through the lens converges, so this point, that is convex lens f2, is your focus. As I already explained, it's the same like in mirrors. And or the point from which it appears to diverge. Okay, diverge jali. It is called as focus of the lens. Lens has focus on both sides. Very important. Lens has focus on the both sides. The distance from the center of the lens to the focus is called focal length. This is already explained in the mirror part. Center of curvature, again same. There is a C1 center of curvature and C2 center of curvature, because for this it is C1 center as a curvature, and for this it is C2 as a center of curvature, and for here if you make this as a circle, then your this point as a center of curvature, and if you make a circle here, C2 becomes the center of curvature. Principal axis is the line joining. This you already know that it is passing from CF, right? Line joining the two centers of the curvature. The line joining two centers of the curvature is called as principal axis. So let's see now rules of formation of image by the lens. So in both the lenses, a ray of light passing through the optical center, optical goes without any deviation. So optical center म्हळ्यार हांगा मदीं. So मदल्यान समज जेन्ना ray of light pass जाता पळय ताका कांयच डेविएशन आसपाना. These are the rules you should remember. मागीर आमी पळोवया इमेज कशें फॉर्म जाता ते. Okay. Second, what happens? Principle of this is like the mirror. So parallel to the principal axis, it converges and it passes through the focus, right? आणि concave lensan सुद्धा तशेंच जाता पळय. It this is a parallel ray, incident ray. It diverges, but these are the virtual rays, right? So again, it will meet at focus. So repeat करता. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. So anga refract zone, it will pass to the focus. The ray of light appears to diverge from the focus on the same side of the lens. Third point कितें म्हणटा, when ray of light passes to one of the focus, when ray of light passing through the focus after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis. So for example, as a object हांगा आसा, okay, and that incident ray तुझे f1 pass जाता. So when it passes through this convex lens, okay, so here what happens? The refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. Same way over here, a ray of light directed towards the focus, okay, this is the ray of light directed towards the focus, after refraction goes parallel. Okay, so these are the rules. So based on these rules, let's see now how the image is formed in the convex lens. First one, object is when the object is placed beyond 2f. This is 2f, this is f, this is 2f. 2f is basically what? Center of curvature. Yaad asuni. So that is 2 times f म्हणटा पळय तशें. So object खंय दवरला? Beyond 2f. So image one will be here, one ray will go here, it will refract and it will pass through focus because it is parallel, and another when it passes through the origin काय जावपाना. So when the both point, when it meets, the refracted ray meets, it will be where it will be between f2 and 2f2. So it formed between the f2 and f2, or you can say it will form between the center of curvature and the focus. Again it is real, again it is real and inverted, okay, because it is two side lens, right? So it will form on some kind of a screen. So but the image will be inverted, okay, and diminished. So धाकटी जाल्या पळय, right? So next, when the object is placed at 2f, so that is on the center of curvature जेन्ना object दवरता तेन्ना तुझा image सुद्धा खंय form जाता? Image again forms at the other side of the center of curvature. One will be straight, it will pass through f2, and again from here it will pass through center and it will meet over here. Again the distance of these two is same size, but it is inverted. It is same like we have discussed in the convex mirror, right? Same thing. So same size as the object. Third one, when the object is placed between this. So तुम्ही notice केल्या, first by object beyond C दवरला धाकटी image, मागीर हांगा दवरल्या image size same जाली, but if you compare with this, image size व्हडली जाल्या. But जशी तुम्ही आनी फुडें हाडटा, image आनी व्हडली जाता. So आता image खंय दवरला? Between f1 and 2f1. So same process, it will pass through focus and directed from this, and you will image have enlarged image or magnified image. Again it is real and inverted. Very simple. So मागीर तुम्ही image object आणि फुडें हाडा. आता खंय दवरल्या? हांगा दवरला न्ही. आता तेका f1 चेर दवरून पळोवया कितें जाता ते. जेन्ना f1 चेर दवरता, image is formed at infinity. so beyond this infinity कडे जाता, but it will be real and inverted. Okay, it will be real and inverted and also magnified. In the third case, when you keep it between this, same thing. Just see, if you have if you compare with the mirror and the lens, the process is same. जसे तुम्ही लागी हाडटा तसे तुमका इमेज साइज व्हडली जाता. Okay, just image formation दुसऱ्याकडे जाला, इतलेच difference. When the object is placed between f1 and o, so ani भितर हाडलो image as compared to this, so image हांगा form जातली. So हांगा meet जावपाना because they are not parallel as well, so you have to draw the virtual line and you will have the magnified image, but the image will be virtual. Okay, virtual image form जालो पळय, erect and magnified. Clear? But next case, when the object is at infinity, so object to आमको infinity कडे दवरल्यार image will be formed at f2. Okay, so how to remember this is, you have to keep practicing the ray diagrams of all the lenses and all the mirrors. Okay, or there is certain rule. For example, जसे तुम्ही simple rule याद करू शकता, जसे object, when you move closer to the pole, your image size becomes more and more, but when the object is between f and pole, okay, in both the case your image becomes virtual. Okay, it is. So sixth one, when the object is placed infinity, your object image will form at f2. If you see this, it is inverted, it is highly diminished and real image. This is about the convex lens. We'll discuss about now concave lens. Concave lens, very simple. When object is placed at infinity, so parat the object ko dawalla infinity kade dawalla, these are the parallel lines which is parallel to the principal axis. So where your image should be, where the reflected rays should be, it should pass through the focus. This is the parallel line and reflected, right? Rays are divergent rays, and so when you draw the virtual, it will meet at f1. So your image is diminished, virtual and erect. And the second case, a concave lens diverges, all ray falling on it. A concave lens diverges, all rays falling on it. Therefore, for all position, image is on the same side of an object, virtual and erect and diminished. So see, when you have object which is placed between 2f1 and f1, all rays are diverging from here, correct? See, this rays are diverging, this ray is again, it's gone somewhere because it is passes through the origin. When it passes through the origin, I have explained you all what happens with it. It will not come back, so it will be on this line only. So when you draw this as the virtual line and when it intersects with this, your object will be here. So now in this case your object is again virtual, okay, because you have drawn the virtual ray, virtual, erect, diminished, but the object will be on the same side of an object, same side. So your image will be on the same side of an object. So image koi form gatlo, same side. Clear?